Hello Summit Learning students, how are you doing? Here's a quick video in terms of how to log into your Zoom classrooms and set up your screen name. So you probably noticed that you have homeroom, you have online live classes, you have online tutoring sessions, and then when you want to do any of these things, you meet with teachers or advisors in their online Zoom classroom. And if you've clicked around at all, you've probably seen links to teachers' online Zoom classrooms, just like what we have here. Notice here's a Canvas class. This is for Algebra 1A Live, but it could be any Canvas class, and your teacher will post their class links or tutoring links, and that's how you'll meet with them. You'll want to pay a special attention to the code, that little 9-digit code at the end of the URL, or if they have a specific name such as jclose at the end of the URL, because that's one of the ways you'll use later on to access their online classes. Now, the first time you click on any link, it'll take you right on in and you'll be prompted to put in a screen name. You need to put in your first name and your last name in order to get marked as attendance, and that's part of the policy that we have at Summit Learning when you sign in and attend classes. Please do not put Bubblegum Shrimp Company or put I am a happy person or put Mr. JJ. Put your full name and your last name so we know who you are. It's a sign of courtesy and it just makes it a lot easier for us when we meet with you. Now, should go pretty simple, right? However, many of you may already have been in an online class and you may have accidentally put in something else for your screen name and you find that it's stuck. You're stuck with that screen name and you're not sure what to do. So I want to show you how you can go into your Chromebook and change what your screen name is. To do that, you'll want to look on the bottom left of your keyboard, either for the magnifying glass or hover over the bottom left corner of your screen, and you should be able to pull up a search feature just like you have, where you can search your Chromebook for different apps. All of you have the Zoom app installed on your Chromebook and it looks something like this right here. When you pull it up, go ahead and click on it and you should be taken to a screen that looks like this. Here's one way where you can quickly join a meeting, and it's also where you can adjust your screen name. Right now, the first box on top is prompting me for a meeting ID or meeting room name. By the way, that's where you put in that code or that teacher's name from their URL. But the box below it where it says test student, currently when I log in, that is what is going to be the name given to me. That's what the name my teacher sees when I log into their online classroom. Now, I don't want test student, so I want to change it to something else. Here's where you can go ahead and click on test student. Now let's change it to something else. Let's change it to something like Damian Lillard. However, for you, you would want to put your full first name and last name. First name, last name, just capitalized, just like you would want it professionally spelled. Once you have that set, you still can't join a name, but let's go ahead and change the top box. Grab one of those URLs or meeting ID codes from your teacher's URL. I could have used, again, back to that Canvas page, any of those things, or I could type in Mr. J Close. And now you'll be prompted to join the meeting. Once you join, after making those changes, that new name that you type in will stick forever after on any other future Zoom classrooms you attend. So once you get it set, then you should be good to go. The rest of the year, you can just click on a teacher's link wherever they have it posted, get right on in, and it will have your name saved. Hopefully this is helpful for you. If you are still finding problems with the screen name, please give me a call, Jonathan Close or Mr. Deerdorf, and we'll help you get things all set up on your Chromebook.